Installing a new Harley handle onto a vintage mobile or vintage Encore medication cart. A helpful video to support your CAPSA product. Tools needed: 9/16 inch wrench, 7/16 inch wrench, drill, 25/64 inch or .390 drill bit. Important: your Harley handle kit is specifically for either a vintage mobile cart or a vintage Encore cart. Make sure you have ordered the right handle kit for your cart based on serial number. Ensure you have all parts with your Harley handle kit. Vintage Encore, 1 template for all models. Vintage Mobile, 4 templates depending on cart configuration and height. For any vintage cart models, the Harley handle attaches to the left side of your cart. Remove any accessories from the left side. Remove thumb screws for any upper accessories. Drill pilot holes using the supplied metal template. Attach the template to the cart side using the accessory holes in the 2 Phillips screws that were included with your handle kit. See the included instructions for proper orientation. Use drill bit size 25/64 or .390 to make 4 holes in the aluminum. Remove the metal template. Use caution for any sharp edges. Screw the insert onto the supplied black installation tool, hand tight. Repeat for all 4 inserts. Install the inserts. Make sure each insert is pushed in until it's flush. Use a 9/16 inch wrench and the supplied disposable wrench, or a 7/16 inch wrench. Push in on the bolts while tightening. Use significant force to properly seat the insert. Tighten the insert as tight as you can. Remove the black installation tool with the supplied disposable wrench. Repeat for all 4 inserts. Install the Harley handle. Slip a washer over each of the 4 bolts. Insert the 4 bolts with washers and finger tighten. Use the supplied disposable wrench or a 7/16 inch wrench. Tighten the 4 bolts firmly. Please contact CAPSA Healthcare should you have any questions or require any assistance.